Hey guys, I'm Claire Ronson and welcome to my YouTube channel. As you know, we are in a war right now and it's very important to be helping the community and bringing Chesed to Am Yisrael. So in this video, I'm going to be making with these batch of whatever we're going to make, you'll know in a second, is going to go straight to our Chayalim who are fighting for Israel, okay? So, thank you so much for watching and let's get on with the video. And also, P.S. if you decide to make this recipe, which you should make it, it's really good, okay? You should give it to someone who, just anyone, a random person, someone on your blog. Just add kindness to the world and bring chesed to Am Yisrael, okay? Woo! Okay, so for today, my sister Abigail will be joining us in the baking part. Alrighty, let's get baking! Alright, first things first, 2 cups of flour. And now 3/4 cups of white sugar and brown sugar. Now 1 teaspoon of baking soda. 2 eggs. Alright, 1 cup of oil. Alright, now 1 tablespoon of vanilla, but I always like to add a little extra because I just love vanilla. So, do whatever you want.
It's for sweet, it's perfect for everything.
What she said. Now, 2/3 cup of cocoa powder. Alright, and now we mix.
The mixer, you can't see mixer, but people can do a spoon, you see a spoon. It doesn't really matter when you use.
Look at this chocolatey goodness. Chocolatey goodness. You guys have no idea how good this smells. Like,
we take a first bite of the cookie. Oh my gosh. It's like you can never stop eating one. And you're like dreaming about something good.
of guys having these chocolate cookies.
Trust me. Don't trust Kaya.
Alright. Now it's looking like cookie dough. Alright, now we do, guys. Okay, we are back, okay? We have really great dough right now. Oh my god, guys. It also smells so good. You have no idea, okay? So now we are going to add our chocolate chips, okay? Feel free to add as much as you want.
It's better for a ton.
Yeah.
That's why it's still good like that. Just two, ask yourself.
More, okay. Now we're good. Alright, now we're just gonna mix in by hand.
So this thing is like hollow, no it's not. It's cookies. This is cookies. Please not like cookies. You like cookies? Wow, I'm surprised. I'm saying comment below if you guys like cookies. This is also right, guys, what type of cookies you guys like? Maybe we can make them.
Yeah, that would be nice. Yeah, guys, comment down below. Alright, we have milk. Alright, and now it's time to put them on the tray. Woo.
Tell your friend that to watch this video, he'll be very, like, looking for high to get more subscribers.
Yeah, Abby tells everybody that I have a YouTube channel. Our neighbors, our friends, everybody. So embarrassing.
Not embarrassing.
Not funny, embarrassing.
It'd be really funny if you guys actually do that. And please do it. It's gonna be kind of mad.
Into the oven.
Look at those cookies. They look so yummy and they smell amazing. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. You guys should definitely try this recipe out. They are so good. Totally recommend it. And please make them for a neighbor, friend, family, or just for your family. And add light to the world, guys, okay? I'm Israel Chai. We will win this. Let's go. Thank you so much. Have a great day.